write the numbers, how to write the number names, how to write the numerals. So today our topic is about counting in pairs. So now we are going to learn how to count the objects in pairs. Okay. So before going to this concept, let us know about pair. What is meant by pair? The definition of the pair you should know. Okay. Pair. A pair is a group of two objects. What is a pair? A pair is a group of two objects. Examples of these are, see, we can write examples like this. See, a pair of shoes. A pair of shoes. Coming to the second one, a pair of glasses. Third example, a pair of earrings. A pair of earrings. So these are the examples of pair. What is a pair? A pair is a group of two objects. So a pair of shoes, a pair of glasses, a pair of earrings. So let us learn how to count the objects in pairs. Just now I said about pair. What is a pair? A pair is a group of two objects. Now I am going to draw a few stars on the board. See, here you can see the stars on the board. Okay. So all together, how many stars are there? So before counting these stars, let us know how many pairs are there in each row. In each row, how many pairs are there? Just now I said that pair is a group of two objects. So in the first pair, you can see here, in the first row, you can see two pairs. How many pairs you can see? Two pairs in the first row. This is the first row. And this is the second row. In the first row, how many pairs are there? In the first row, we can see the two pairs. In the first row, we can see the two pairs. In each pair, how many stars are there? Two stars are there. How many stars are there? Two stars are there. In the first pair, we can see the two stars, and in the second pair also we can see two stars. Altogether, how many stars are there? Altogether, we have four stars. That means two pairs of two stars each. Two pairs of two stars each. That means in each pair we can see two stars. That means 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4. Whereas coming to the second row. In the second row, how many pairs we can see here? We can see here two pairs. How many pairs are there here? Two pairs. In the first pair, you can see the two stars. Whereas coming to the second pair also, we can see the two stars. That means in the second row, we have two pairs. How many pairs are there in the second row, children? Two pairs are there in the second row. That means two pairs of two stars each. Two stars each. That means in each pair we have two stars. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. All together, in the first and the second row, all together, how many stars are there? Let us count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All together, in the first and the second row, how many stars are there? We have 8 stars. So, in the first row, how many are there? In the first row, we have 4 stars. In the first row, we have 4 stars. Whereas coming to the second row, we have 4 stars. All together, how many stars are there? If you add together, how many are there? 8. That means in the first and the second row, we have 8 stars. In the first and the second row, we have 8 stars. Okay, once again I am going to explain this one. So in the first row, how many pairs are there? 2 pairs. Pair is nothing but a group of 2 objects. Group of 2 objects.